Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends, I'm Sholazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the pressure fan, and I'm teaching you because this is one of those easiest moves that you can use to fan any deck of cards, and it's not really necessary that the cards has to be brand new. And also it's provided that the cards should not be very old, because if it's very old, the cards will actually stick to each other and will not fan. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is how the pressure fan looks like. It looks just like this. So you can see right now this fan is very beautiful, and each and every cards are actually spread evenly, while in thumb fan each and every cards might not spread evenly. But in this fan, the pressure fan, which is this one, each and every cards will actually spread evenly and it will look more beautiful, and that's the beauty about this fan. And it's also very easy to do. It's easier than thumb fan or any other fan, and let's learn how you can do this. Okay, so to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to have a deck of cards, and that's too much obvious. Otherwise, what are you going to fan with? So as you have a deck of cards, what you're going to do is you're actually going to hold the deck of cards right over here, okay, right on the top of these two fingers, just over here, just from this part, and you're going to keep your thumb over here, and you can also keep these fingers straight, right, because these fingers are going to actually help you to do the fan. All of these fingers should be kept straight. Now as you are in this position, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here with your other your other hand, and then what you're going to do is you're actually going to grab the deck just like this, okay, and then you're going to squeeze it. Now this is almost similar to the card spring. If you haven't seen my card spring tutorial link is actually given in the video description. Make sure you check that out, then this tutorial will be very much easy for you. So while you're actually in this grip, you're also going to press down your cards like this, and since if you are going to press down your cards like this, each and every card will actually have a force, or actually have a tendency to get themselves flattened out again. So for that reason, if you're going to do like this, if you're going to leave all the cards from your thumb, then it will result in a spring. But if you also do it like this way, if you actually let the cards away from your middle finger or your index finger, then also it will be actually a spring, but this will be a reverse type of spring. That means which is not the original spring, okay. So what you're going to do at this point is you're going to do that reverse spring. You're actually going to spring the cards out from this part of your hand, okay. So as you have the deck in this position and you grab over here, you squeeze, and then as you rotate your hand, you are also springing some cards while rotating from the top. And because of that springing, these cards will actually spread out evenly, and that will result in a very beautiful fan than any other card fan. And if you see like this, you can see all the cards are actually spread. Now that is the entire thing, okay. Now the first thing that comes, it's not just the way that you are releasing the cards, but the way that you are actually moving your hands. So one hand is going like this. So if you're actually holding this deck of cards flat with the ground surface, then you're actually coming over here, right? And then while you're actually turning this hand, you're not turning this hand like this, okay, because you can't do that. So you're going to turn your hand like this, from this to this, okay, this to this. So as you do like that, you can see that the cards will actually perfectly make a fan. And not only this hand, you also need to move this hand from this position to a vertical position. Now putting both of these things together, you can see that the card spring is actually done completely, and there's nothing that is actually left to do. And there's all the cards that you can see over here. None of the cards are actually hiding under each and every card. So each and every cards, you can actually see their borders. So this is the perfect card spring for any card magicians or any cardist that they can do. And this is the one of the most easiest way of doing the card spring. And here's the whole tutorial, and you actually need to practice this a couple of times, but this is very easy and I know that you will get it down very soon. So I hope you enjoyed this amazing tutorial on how to do the pressure fan. Make sure you hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shol_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you obviously have the comment section for that. And make sure you smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!